Alright, we back, part 2. The instructions are on this here, CUE screen support, and you can just, I'm using my laptop to look at what to do. Take a look at that, right there. And the first thing I'm gonna do is take these, there's 6 of them. Okay, so let's roll. Alright, second thing. So these, do that. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Okay. Go with this one. So what I'm doing to keep track of this is I'm writing them down so I can know what it is by the steps. So I'm following the steps on the laptop, and then I write the steps here so I can go backwards and look at the steps backwards and be able to put them back together. So there's the next thing, and I have to remove 7 screws. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. like this. Right in there, there's a screw. You see it? Right there. Gotta unscrew that. Don't take it out, just loosen it. And then there's one on the other side. Okay, so sorry you didn't see me finish pulling out this bottom piece, but it's just the lower area, right, that I had to pull apart. Okay, that's it. So now you see what you have here. The bottom piece is out. All right, so we're gonna flip this over. Okay. And there's a piece that you got to be really careful with. This is a caution on the video. You can see that there's a tab here, right here. They want you to be careful. Use your tool to do it. Okay. Okay, so there's a clip that you have to fold back. So this is the clip, the little black clip. The video tells you what to do, but this little black piece, and then pull this tape out. Okay, flip it over, be easy with it, because people break it, is what it says. There's a caution on this part, so there's a caution on this part, and I'm gonna do that right now, so yeah. Okay. And then once you do that, pull this up. Turn it back this way. These screws have to be removed. And what we're doing is removing the touchscreen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Screen will come right out there.
All right, we're gonna take the screen out. All right, time to put the new screen on. So this is the new screen. All right. This is the old screen. All right, all the cracking there. All right, so they made it easy, and they put a little tab piece right here. Don't forget to take that off. Okay. And this little ribbon. This little ribbon goes right through the top. Don't put it in this little tiny thing or under it. Put it right on top of it. Here we go. So that pushed through. This one didn't quite push through. Alright, so what I did was make sure that there's these little pins on the side that have to clamp through, and they're right here. This one and this one, and then there's two on the other side, and you just want to make sure that they're sitting in there. They sit right back in there. Those two, and then I did the other side. The next one is just put everything back in. Alright, so we're just screwing the screens back on. It's nine screws. So I already started putting some in. You have to make sure you clip them in good, clip the sides in good. All right, next thing is the ribbon cable. After you screw all the screws in, I was able to get all of them in. In the video, they had a hard time getting the last one in. But what I would say is make sure you have these clips in all the way around first before you screw them in. And once you have one in, just kind of zigzag through. And these two were the last ones that I put in. But you just want to make sure all the holes are visible, not halfway or anything like that. Like I said in the video, the guy wasn't able to get the last screw in, but I was able to get all 9 screws in there. So they said if you couldn't get one in, leave it out. Let me zoom in a little bit. You see these here? Make sure these and these are in. And then there's also one in the back. There's one in the back too. So there's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's part of the alignment. So the next part that where I'm getting ready to do is put the little orange cable back into there, and that's what I'm gonna do now. This is it here. See if I can zoom in. Looks like I got that all the way in there. All right, black side up. And then you gotta flip the flap over. I just wanna make sure I get that in there because this is important for the screen to work. Then you can tug on it a little bit and make sure that it's in there. Putting this back on. There we go. Just want to get it in there. Okay. Three. So now that I did all of that, so now I'm gonna turn it on its side, and there was some that I unscrewed but didn't take out, and I just need to tighten them back again. So it's deep in there. Plug this thing in. So that should be in there good. Put this back cover back on. That. At the top, there's 5. So put those back on. All right, we almost done. One more step. Okay, this one's for this side. Yep. That. All right. And then this one goes. Alright. Then we got these final screws to put in. You know what? This was fun, actually. I just hope I didn't mess up anything because I touched a white tape by accident, and I also touched, my thumb hit the screen. So I'm a little nervous, but we'll see. All right. Here it is. It's working. All right, so I got it in. Put this in. Alright, here we go, Everything's in. This is back in, everything's back the way it was. I just gotta put all my stuff back in. There. That's done. Sides are done. All that is up. That's in. Side panels are in. Okay. There it is. Open driver window. Open, close passenger window. On the left rear. Right. Okay. Here we go. Tap. Then AC. Went to the foot. There it is. Navigation. Right there. Click home. And I can set up my phone now to play my music because I didn't have that. Now I can pair. So there it is. It works. That works. And I can put this flap in there now. Everything's good in there. Yeah. Did it. New screen. Hey, Verlinda Sweeting here. Thank you for watching my videos. Anything you need to know about what I'm going to share with you and what you're watching right now, everything is going to be below the video. You can find the information that you need there so that you too can follow me on how to get your screen for your Cadillac or whatever it is that you need from this website. Okay, so in the videos you saw me take out my radio control unit, but my purpose was to take my screen out. Okay, it was cracked. It wasn't the actual screen that was cracked, it was the adhesive or the glue that was cracked, and it was preventing me from, you know, touching the screens, and everything was just not functioning like it should be. Okay, so this is the one that I chose. All right, I saved money doing it myself. So if you're up for the challenge and you're wanting to do it yourself, or you know someone that could do it for you, you can come right here and purchase what you need. All right, so this is what I got. I was up for the challenge to do the entire thing. If you're not up for that challenge and you want to skip the whole taking the screen apart, you can choose to get a refurbished radio control unit. So it's the entire deck. All you have to do is remove the old one out of your car. First of all, you should just, order it first. And then once you get it, go ahead and remove it from your car and then replace it with the refurbished one. Okay. So that there is $500. But like I said here, the most popular one, this is what I chose. So I'm going to click this and add to cart so that I can take you through the process. All right. So you can, this is everything that comes with it. If you saw part 1 of my video, I show you all the tools that are needed, and I show this as well to the screenshot of those. So here it is. When you get ready to order, okay, as you can see, it's $139, right? You want to make sure you select the 2-year warranty. If you want a lifetime warranty, that's $25, but 2 years should be good enough, right? Select how many you want and then add to cart. Now if you come here, it says view more details. You can look and make sure, just in case you want more details on if this would fix, your problem or not, scroll down, you look at the reviews. One person saved $1,800. My quote from the dealership was $1,700. So after you looked over everything and you made your decision of what you want to do, again, don't forget to click the 2-year warranty. Add it to cart. You also have GPay. All right, and then you see what pops up here, okay? All right, so let's just click one, because if you're getting one, that's the only one you want. Click View Cart. Okay, and here we go. If you have a promo code, you can enter it there. Let's see what happens. Look at that. You get a discount. Don't forget, if you haven't watched part 1 or part 2, click the description and you will see the links for those videos. You will also see the link that will take you right to this page so that you can go get your CUE screens. Thank you for watching. My name is Verlinda Sweeting. See you soon.